In today's video, I'll show you how you can zoom in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into the Edit tab. Once you're here, select your clip and go into Inspector, and then you should have seen these options. Now go into Videos, and from here, position your playhead where you want the zoom to begin. For example, right here. Now, I'm going to click here on the keyframe button. And from here, I'm going to move a couple of frames forward or seconds, depending on how long you would want the zoom to be. For example, about this much. And then I'm going to start zooming in just like that. And now when I play it, it should now look like this. As you can see, we now have the zoom effect right there. Now, what if you would want it to focus on a specific point? Then you could absolutely do that. You could just go here into Smart Reframe and then go into Object of Interest, go into Reference Point, and then you want to make sure that the box hits the face and click on Reframe. And then after that, it's analyzing, just wait for it to finish. And now when we play it, it will now automatically zoom in on the face, as you could see. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.